Hey guys, welcome to a new series I'm making. This is my Road to Immortal. Currently I'm Immortal 2 on my main. This is just a video series to help people improve their game sense. I would say I have a lot better game sense than aim, personally. I have good crosshair placement, but overall, yeah, aim is not the best thing I have. So in this series, I'll just go over my thought process, what I should have done differently, and how I could be helping my teammates. Particularly in this series, I won't be choosing a certain agent. I'll be going through many of them. If you guys have any suggestions, if you want me to go over like any of them. Personally, I'll start with Brim. I'll start off my first game with Brim. Hopefully you guys see some tips that you guys can go off of. Before we start off, I just want you guys to go over some settings. These are some settings I highly recommend. First of all is enemy highlight color. I'd set it to yellow. Your map, I'd recommend zooming it out so you can at least see the whole map at a glance instead of having it cut off because you're too far away from a section. This can give really good intel, especially if your teammates are focusing in and you see a small question mark across the map, which can be, oh, they might be hitting on an opposite side. I'd recommend show corpses off. This helps dramatically if you're a sage because you know who, like, where to res. Sometimes I see people in lower elos hitting their teammates' dead bodies, and sometimes they're even going for the enemy team. With show corpses off, the enemy team will be clearly your whatever desired color you have. For me, it's yellow. It could be red or purple. Show tracers, obviously. It's somewhere here. Show tracers. I can't see it right now, but yeah, show tracers right here. On for sure. This can get you free kills through smokes. Video settings, I have NVIDIA on and boost. This can dramatically decrease latency, especially if you're like me playing on an ultra wide. Graphics settings, everything low except for anti-stropic filtering. I just have that to 16 because it's preference mainly. And the one last thing I highly recommend is audio. Enable HRTF. This makes it more of a 3D space if you have good headphones. This has helped me through a lot of rounds where I could hear the enemy team from miles away, and sometimes when I'm spectating, I hear, like, it's weird when you spectate your teammate, you hear the enemy team way better than when you're actually playing the game. It might be a placebo, but yeah, usually I give really good callouts because I can hear the enemy team pretty well with HRTF on. But again, this is preference, but I'd recommend them, those settings. Character select is the most important process for this game. So right now we already have 2 insta locks. This does happen frequently, and sometimes, like, I don't mind it. Usually I like filling, so I'll just go Brim.
Bars.
Okay.
I'll show 'em just
With
how
Brim,
tricks
I can
know.
more easily commentate my gameplay because I'll be playing more back, trying to support my team, trying to go for trades. Brim is not bad for bind because you can alt U-Haul or Lamps. His alt, like, if placed correctly, it covers everything, and try and not have gaps in between, like, your alt and a wall, because, like, usually that's what gets me killed. So I try to, like, take a little extra time placing my alt because it is worth a lot of alt orbs. And yeah, overall this team comp is actually pretty good. Sova, Cypher, not bad. Raze is really good on bind. Jet is always good. The enemy team, it's pretty fair. Killjoy, I do prefer Killjoy over Cypher. Her mollies, her turret is just more annoying. What I buy usually is pistol. Sorry, I don't buy. I have classic and buy armor and full smokes. Usually with the classic you can left right click. So left and right click right away, and then you shoot 4 bullets by the time they shoot 1. So if you're head level, they're pretty dead.
Thank you.
Do an A
Yes,
push
sir.
on the side. Right now I usually peek here, this corner, just so I get the early info that there's no. I send my smokes down and I see my team is committing fully, so I just push out with them.
Death.
I hear someone U-Haul right now, and I am vulnerable, so I wait it out. I see a deagle. I do not want to pick it. I don't want to make it sound.
I'm
So
joining.
I'm just holding for the sage. I killed her. I picked up the deagle.
Right between the
And then
eyes.
now I just try and go for the plant because we're up and site should be pretty free
down.
now. And clear up the
One
round for
enemy
deagle.
remaining.
Well, our jet peaks mid. Like this is adaptation. Our jet keeps peeking, not mid, A short. So I'll try and trade her. So I'll peek with her. Trading is actually goated.
Revealing area. Reloading.
Don't push.
Launching smoke.
I'm joining.
Got the spike. Stim beacon down.
When my smoke's landed, I push over to my team. I molly
Molly.
the left smoke just in case anyone's hiding and Jeff was in.
Shot down.
2 showers.
Tap it again. Hit 80. She is right.
Launching smoke. Stim beacon here.
One enemy
Down and
remaining.
out.
Nice. Ow!
Left me no choice.
Nice.
Nice. Alright, so let's just go over this round. It's a pretty big round for me and most of my teammates. Right now it's a 4v4. We have sight. Not really. I'm planning in the open. It's very risky by me. I know there's 2 showers. Their jet dashed into showers. Their Reyna is making sound actively. I don't know where their Killjoy is. I believe their Astra. Yep, Astra's right here in their spawn. All I had to do is pay attention is to 2 people in showers.
Hit 80. She is right.
Here I smoke off showers. Just in case she goes back into showers, she can't hold an off angle.
Launching smoke.
I hear jet,
Stim
so I tried to walk up to short, but then I realized, oh, I don't know, I have no intel on Killjoy, and my heaven is pretty exposed.
beacon here.
Here I tried to hold her, lucky I got her. My combat stim is low and going down, so I tried to regenerate it.
One enemy
Down and
remaining.
out.
Nice. Ow!
Their Killjoy made a sound after my fake tap, and I just went in to clean up.
Left me no choice.
Nice.
On this round, I'm just lurking up. It's a
I showered.
Thrifty. We did lose the previous round, and the Reyna doesn't know I'm here. So it's an easy
Enemy
flank.
down.
I look at the minimap. I see Jet Heaven. I
One
kill her,
enemy remaining.
and that was pretty free.
Revealing area.
Alright, clean round. So, new round. This is second half. I realized that my weaker players are playing on B side, so I tried to rotate. But I did decide to play Rim middle because I'm not too sure which side they'll push. And I found this cheeky spot right here where you can still one-way short and be really accessible to both sides pretty quickly. I do not recommend playing here every round, but it is good if you're unsure of like how the enemy team plays, which is good for this half.
Launching smoke.
Here I just walk up, I jiggle, I try to jiggle a hookah just to get early info.
Yo, I'm lagging so hard.
I saw a couple people, the camera sees people.
Smoke's
I
down.
smoke it just so they can't waterfall straight out of hookah. And here I'm just trying to waste
How'd
time,
you know, bro?
make them waste their utility.
Reloading.
I smoke both sides so they don't get free angles. And yeah, good defense overall.
Chill out. Let them jump out. Let them jump out.
So here I took the TP. We did defend B side, and
Two
they
U-Haul,
did
two U-Haul.
rotate. My teammate called 2 U-Haul. So if someone did plant, that means they're
I'm
all
lagging
3
hard.
on
I
us.
can't help. Oh,
One enemy remaining.
I got bomb.
Spike down
yeah.
A.
I am
Pick off me.
lurking
30
slowly.
seconds left.
I know the last one is U-Haul. She killed my Sova. She's still in U-Haul.
Or-
I hear her. I go for a one tap here. I missed, so I tried to bait for my jet. I hear her still. I know exactly where she is. She's running back now. So now I go and walk up again.
10 seconds
And my
left.
jet cleans her up.
Can I get a drop?
I'm not feeling a judge.
Need a drop.
No, you buy me Marshall. That's
Kinda feeling a judge.
yeah.
Thanks.
Oh,
With their aggressive jet. Good work.
Riz, we both look at short. We have an op.
Launching smoke.
Gotcha.
Nothing long. Roll in.
Molly.
Get out of here.
Smoke's down.
No.
Spike down A.
No. No. Sorry.
Do you have dart?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, I can go.
She's
One
lit 80.
enemy remaining.
What is this gameplay, dude? So easy. I predicted their jet is a maniac, so I cannot play in showers. I just cannot. Yeah. Oh, well, try one way to the more right.
You one way short, Brim.
Smoke's down. Gunner.
Pretty free kill on
They can make
Merc
it
and Reyna.
100%.
I
Spike
throw a
down
molly,
B.
so they get scared about teleport again. I stim myself before I
Beacon
teleport.
down.
Then you go for cheeky shots, break the wall, and just hide. Play annoying.
Sage was hookah.
Here I
Okay,
called
he's
out
on
to my
site, but
teammate
they're
that
down.
they're falling back from mid and they're going around too long.
What do you mean?
I
Smoke's down.
smoke it just so in
Like
case they're
backing out?
holding my aim. They are. The jet is holding it.
I don't say. I'll kill planner.
Here it's very bad on my part. I didn't give him I didn't give communication saying, hey, I got the planter, where it led my jet to die because she wide peeked.
One enemy
Pass on
remaining.
long.
Go
Last
long,
player
outing.
standing. Spike
Launching
down
smoke.
B.
No, dude. Alright, new round, just after we lost. I'm smoking down long, B
Launching
long,
smoke.
because they did save an op last round, and I don't want them to have the long range.
Couple B.
I want them to push out the smoke and fight me, where they don't know where exactly I am. My Silva's joining hookah.
No,
He
there's
does
not
see
any.
someone outside
Oh yeah,
mid
there's one.
smoke
Smoke's
it, so
down.
if our race does decide to peek, she does get a 1v1, but she does not. I get ready to all. I all hookah,
Open up the
Two
sky.
and I get one of them.
Oh, let's go.
Here I get Reyna, which is
Nice.
pretty good at my head
Nice.
level.
Oh my god, that's a firing.
Here I try
Smoke's
to
down.
flank them. My cipher does go down. I try to play sight more because I know they might commit. And obviously if they do run, I can hear them.
Still there.
Pretty good spot.
One still.
Last player
My
standing.
jet does go down here. I'm waiting, I'm holding an angle.
You will
if
not
Asher
kill
does
my
jump out,
allies.
I see they res, so I'm trying to play more safe
30
because
seconds left.
I am pretty weak. I hear them jumping, they start planning. I kill the person aiming at me and then kill
enemy
the
That's
planner.
remaining.
hookah.
And then I wait
Molotov.
Molly.
and I just take this 1v1 to win the round.
Nice.
Oh my god,
Get
bro.
off my lawn. Launching
Okay.
smoke. Molly. Launching smoke. Stim beacon here.
Ready for the dash? Kind of. They're falling back to B. Kind of.
Reloading. You are divided.
They're pushing you, so be careful.
He's hit 80.
So what I do notice mainly in lower ranks
down.
is
Stim
they don't
beacon
smoke
here.
before they peek. I try to wait for my smoke to go down on hookah and
Rest
then
it, eh?
cross the wall. Here I
Now
get
we're
Reyna. Right now I'm just watching hookah. My Cypher does see someone and I spray exactly where he pings, and that does yield me a kill. I call out to my jet, hold long, I will hold hookah for you. And they do decide to TP. Here I'm keeping my gun out. I see that my two teammates have ops, so just in case we do get
30 seconds
a
left.
lurk or a fast push up, I'm here ready to trade out my
Flanking,
teammates.
Just wait.
Default. Oh, ulted ran into
Enemy
her.
spotted A.
Spike planted.
And here I try to walk out. I break the eye for my op.
I'm almost
jet,
flanked. Just
and
try.
I
You
go
should
into
run.
U-Haul.
One enemy remaining.
I whiff my shot.
Elbow.
Unlucky.
I have to. Yeah. He's one.
Last player standing.
Let's go, baby.
Easy clap. I got the triple double, 10 assists. Oh, he also got the
Defenders win.
triple double. Let's go, dude.
Wrecked and hunted.
Well, yeah. Here's my performance. Destroyed their jet. Kept on reading her pretty well. Yeah, honestly, great game. I have one more game to go. Currently, I'm playing against Platts, and it's a brand new account. Alright, see you guys in the next video.